Why does your scanner show the P2753 engine code? What does it mean? P2753 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid cooler control circuit. The P2753 engine code indicates that the vehicle's TCM or ECU has detected a disruption, an open circuit or broken connection in the electrical circuit that regulates the transmission fluid cooling system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed cooler control valve, damaged wiring or connectors, corrosion or moisture, blown fuse, broken ground connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.